last experiment with the rock crystals did not work. So we're gonna try a new experiment. Out of the same box. But first I want to show you the ice crystal. So it's supposed to look like that. What we got was this. Does that look like that? Kinda don't look like it, but they're still kinda crystallized. So this was the crystals. Now let's see. It says 6 in 1, so let's see what we got here. So, pick a number between 1 and 5, Ronnie Lee, 2. So we're going to go with 2. So we already did 2. It's the crystal experiment. So cross that off. So you pick a number between 1 and 6, Ronnie Lee. 1. So it's the bug house experiment. Bug house experiment. Step 1. To assemble the bug chamber, fit the clear dome into the base. So they must be talking about this. Locate the small prong at the bottom of the dome and the small hole in the base. Fit the prong into the hole in the base. The arcs along the bottom of the dome should line up with the open arc base. Okay. So it says they go like this. Like that. Like that. Like that. Like that. Okay, those don't want to stay on. Alright, these ones don't want to stay on there. Okay, step 2, close up the holes along the base using the 4 bug house doors. Now, what we can do, since we don't have, or they can't fit, and they won't fit, we're gonna try to super glue it. If I can find it. Be right back.
Previously on Shooter. I need to talk to Casper, Alexander Prosovich, give me this number.
You're talking to him, Mr. Snyder. Why you left information for me? Not read by the same journalist, Carolina Apotheker. Some parasitical testing. Didn't you know him? Did you roll up? Stays found pieces.
That XC was one of the European things to handle local black ops. He said war run for now. Somebody's not looking into this. They shut us down.
We're taking custody. It was a violation of numerous articles of the UCMJ.
Who needs to talk to then?
The Secretary of the Army.
It just doesn't help.
Do you believe me now?
Yes, I believe you now. We need to talk about your building.
There are 4 rifles in the world that are strong enough to fire a bullet like this one. That's a Black King, and that's one of them right there. You find the other Black Kings, you find your shooter.
Okay, I didn't find no super glue. I misplaced it somewhere, but I did find our one and only brush on pink nail glue. And that's to keep this on right because it keeps falling off. Perfect. Stood on perfect.
Until we know if there's a wall in the building, we're gonna have to keep up appearances. That means I'm gonna have to grill you on everything spider related. Where is he?
No idea.
Does he have a plan?
Yeah, he's looking for the shooter. I honestly don't know much more. He's not talkative.
Perfect.
Stay close to him. Keep him.
Now it stays.
Unfortunately, the pain gone. My leads on the Boydie connection is sort of like a cold. I'm still convinced the Russians are behind it.
We do this, we can get it back there. So we can't let on, we know how deep this thing goes. It's just business as usual.
I'm gonna do the other ones because they're like wanting to fall off too. There we go. Just so that it can glue there really tight. So it's saying use a small household item such as tweezers or a small piece of paper in order to grab your bugs. Okay. I don't have bugs, but you know, it's alright. We're just fine. Feel free to add soil, plants, and rocks. Once your bugs are in the dome, add your magnifying piece to the top of the dome to see your bugs in detail. Explore away. Okay, so let me grab something.
I wish I was there too. If it's any comfort, I'm making progress. This is almost over, I promise. I love you.
have something kind of better than bugs because I'm not a bug person. I got apple seeds that I was cracking them. Can you see? They're sprouting. So I put them in water. So let's try that. And then also we're going to be using Dunkin's coffee dirt instead of soil. Let's get a little bit more. We're making a mess.
Jesus, what did you do? Steal these chairs from the lollipop deal? Anyway, thanks for giving me out.
Really give me much trust, did you? I'm good spirits, serious face with us.
All missions suffer setbacks.
Flat tires or something. Full of pumped. Most of that the way possible in my head. Sure tire. Really well compensated and most of the US place on this. It's been just
Ahoy there, Captain Bly. That sounds not so good. I mean, come on, you can't touch me. Okay, I ain't going to Fiji, Red Cross. I want $10 million for all the room. Now the resolution
Okay.
is shitty. It's cell phone video on my laptop screen.
There we go.
It's way better. Just like
So why don't we just add them in there?
file, which I also have in my possession.
so you had the evidence all along.
Yeah. I took it from Dimitri Boydian's body. I thought it might make her a good
Now
insurance
let's
plan.
grab the rest.
I guess I was right.
See, I had you come in here, and you, I wanted you. Why would I do that? Loyalty for one. Because it would have engendered my gratitude. Because I always considered you a friend.
Yeah, well, you talk real nice for a guy who has me surrounded by her parts.
Jack, if I wanted to kill you, I would have had you thrown out of my jet at 35,000 feet. You really listen to it. I'm not giving you
There we go.
for anything. Now on your own.
Feel free to add plants, rocks once your bugs are in the dome. So we're gonna add some of our crystals in there.
I guess I'll just have to go to bed.
Good.
I'm gonna add some of our rock crystals to go in there.
Let me check out when these are.
Perfect. I will be right back. I'm going to clean up my mess. Voila!
Sure was, man, but it was your bullets you were
Project completed. Now these apples probably won't grow, but it's okay. We use the bug house experiment using apples. So let's cross off number 1 and number 2. Let's see if we could look inside our magnifying glass.
Man, I told you that handgun stuff is ridiculous. You would stop me. Pepper spray and pray.
Wow.
That is the name they gave me.
Look at that, everyone.
Have to be something special. I'm only interested in the best.
Let's fancy is right. You got
Now that is amazing.
That's okay. That's okay. I don't care. It's a smart play. Smart play. But here's the thing. Those long guns aren't worth much more than what you pay for them. On the place.
Well, what about like a real special gun? Like this one I read about, the Black King.
You got a black king in there?
Wow. That was so cool. Don't you think?
But they only make 4.
Amazing. I am shocked. Wow. Come back for more and we'll decide. Or if you want, you can decide in the comments below. Pick a number between 3 and 6 and we will do them experiments. Thanks for watching. Bye.